Sir, what's your name?
Manuel Bowman.
All right, so Mr. Bowman, let me double check. Yours has been adjourned. So in the matter of Brandy Lynn Gallagher versus Manuel Bowman, file number 2014 40730 DP, that's been adjourned to November 18.
Okay.
If you call like my office on Friday before, or call your caseworker, they can probably let you know if it's been adjourned.
Okay.
Okay,
I will keep it in on it, so.
I know, keep it up. Good job.
Thank
So
you.
November 18th. Thank you. And what's your name?
Robert. Excuse me, Robert Phillips.
Yep. Okay, let's see. All right, Miss Garland, and I have somebody on a device that says Reliance Communications. Could I ask your name, please?
Hello.
Hi, what's your name?
Blake Rinky.
Say it again.
Blake Rinky.
Okay, hold on, Mr. Rinky. We'll be right with you in a moment. Miss Garland, can you unmute your device, please?
Did it unmute?
Right. Okay, good. I can hear you. So in the matter of Jacqueline Garland versus Tyler Holtz, file number 2015-41507DS. Ma'am, that's been adjourned to October 28th at 8 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you.
Bye.
All right, bye-bye. All right, so Mr. Rinky, it'll just be a minute. I'm gonna put you back in the waiting room. It'll just be 1 minute. I have one person in front of you. So Mr. Phillips, why don't you come up to the podium? This is in the matter of Lauren Heidi Marie Phillips versus Robert Lee Phillips, file number 20-47595 DM. So Mr. Phillips, we're here on a show cause. We were last here on August 19th of 24, and you appeared without your attorney, Mr. Raines. So Mr. Raines doesn't represent you on this, right?
Right.
Okay. And you were to pick up a list of employers that are hiring from the FOC, which you did do, and have proof of employment by the state. We haven't heard from you. So do you have employment?
I actually I'm searching for other employment, but I do currently work for a friend of mine.
Okay, are you getting paid?
Yes.
Okay, and your monthly amount you're ordered to pay on this is $540. So have you paid anything?
I have not. I kind of wanted to like kind of try to figure out why it's so high, because the month that I got fired, they raised it.
Okay, so your friend of the court is set, your child support, you have a hearing on it, and it's set on your earned income. If you get fired, it'll be whatever your last employment is. It doesn't go to zero just because you get fired.
Yeah.
So, Mr. Phillips, you know, you've got to get a job. I don't care if you wash dishes until you find the job you want. You got to do something because you have to pay your child support. You're just a couple thousand shy of a felony.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. That's why the job.
So, you know, you can go through different organizations, put applications in, you know, take whatever you
It's
can
not an
get.
excuse, but I have been looking for work pretty I don't want to say like aggressively, but like probably 3 or 4 applications a day.
Okay.
Because of everything going on with the state of Michigan, I feel like I've got a bad reference.
What's going on with the state of Michigan?
I don't know if I'm allowed to talk about it, but long story short, it was, I don't exactly know what I'm allowed to talk about.
Do you have current charges?
Yes.
Okay, so you have pending charges in district court?
No, not legal charges, employment charges.
Oh, okay, so something to do with getting unemployment?
Not exactly. From my last employer,
Okay, so I don't know that that would really impact employment, but like I said, you can bus tables, wash dishes, you can stock shelves. There's a lot of stuff you can do.
Yeah, that's why I picked up working for my buddy. It's, probably, it's not much, but it's $100 to $300, a week anyway.
Okay, but you gotta pay on this.
Yeah, I still don't understand why it went up when I got fired though, because it was, I don't remember exactly.
How long ago was that?
August last year.
Okay, I don't know, but you can petition for an income review or a friendly court hearing on it
Okay.
and have it reconsidered. You
So
can
I
always
tried
do
to
that.
All that stuff on my own on account of try to save legal fees.
Well, having an income review doesn't, you can probably get an income fee waiver if you're not making that much money. And then it's just a review, you pay for it. And if you get a waiver, you don't have to pay for it, all right?
And I don't know if it holds any bearing, but I did a secure home for me and my son.
Good,
It's a 5-bedroom home.
good. So, all right, so you're gonna make a payment this week?
What's-
You said you're making 200 a week at least?
what's-
Friday's the 4th.
And so it'll be within the first couple of weeks of next month.
He
Or
doesn't
people
pay
that
you
are
every
after
week?
the First. I get paid every day, but it's usually, like $30 here, $40, $50, $60 there. And then once in a while, I'll get, like a $200 day.
Okay, so you gotta pay on this. So
Yeah,
I don't know how
that's what I'm
you,
saying. I'll pay it, within the second week of the month. So I'll make a payment.
so if you're making $50 a day, you can put $50 a week down at the very least, or 100.
Yeah, I just don't know what I'll have. I'm saying I can what's that word? I can commit to couple $100 every couple of weeks, but I don't know when I'll have the money. So I can't give you a day. I
Okay,
just need a little leeway, a week or so.
okay. Well, I'm gonna set this over to October 28th and we'll see where you are on that day. So, and you gotta pay something by then, all right?
I will. Is
And
there
if
any
you
way
need
to-
an income review, go down in front of the court, and request an income review.
Right after this. Is
Yeah.
there any way that we can do an afternoon for the hearing? I don't know if that's possible, but
Miss Adams, do I have an afternoon I could do one of these on? Like towards the end of the month? I don't know if one of our pre-trials on a Monday fell out.
I'm sorry, Judge, I was on the phone. I apologize.
Looking for at the end of the month, see if a Monday afternoon pre-trial fell out, or I could set Mr. Roberts over so he doesn't miss any work.
Of October?
Like October 28th. Late in the afternoon.
We do have 3:20 available.
that'd be awesome.
What time? 3:20?
Yep, 3:20 and later is open.
All right, so October 28th at 3:20, okay? All right, I'm gonna write it down for you, Mr. Phillips,
I'll get back out tomorrow and I'll put it in my phone or the calendar.
and we'll see you back on that day, and you have made a payment, and, all right?
All right, thank you.
All right, thank you. Ms. Hennigan, what are you hearing?
Good morning, Your Honor. I just want to make sure, I'm hearing Delon Hennigan, but Judge Olsey was before you, and he said that for the court set this over to 10/28, so I just want to make sure that.
Yeah. So in the matter of Stephanie Mills versus DeWanda Hennigan, file number 2007-31438 DS, I have Tamaris Hennigan on behalf of Mr. Hennigan, and that was set over to 10/28 at 8.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right.
You live.
Yes. All right, in the matter of Corinne Campbell versus Terry Archwell Terry, file number 2010-35466 DP, that matter was set over to October 28th at 8 AM. In the matter of Megan Ruger versus Anthony Ruger, file number 23-50368 DM, that matter was dismissed. And I have Mr. Rinky in my waiting room. Mr. Rinky, go ahead and unmute your device, please. Thank you. Hello. So in the matter of Kayla Taylor Parkhurst versus Blake Edward Rinky, file number 2010-35508 DP. Mr. Rinky, we are here for a friend of the court show cause, says you're supposed to pay $242 a month in child support. You have an arrearage of $4,050.91. We were receiving payments through an income withholding from May until September. And we received notice from Irvin Amisteel that you quit your job on September 17th. You're only about shy of $40 for the current a month obligation. So Mr. Rinky, have you gained new employment?
I'm supposed to have an interview sometime today. Is at 1 o'clock today?
You're supposed to have an interview today at 1 o'clock?
Yes.
Okay, and can you pay the balance you owe of $40 for September?
I cannot. I was actually hoping to have a new job by now, to be honest with you, Your Honor.
Okay, so Mr. Rinky, where's your interview? Okay, so Mr. Rinky, you can't quit a job until you get a new job.
I was actually terminated. I did not quit a job.
Are you gonna did you sign up for unemployment?
No, I did not. I wasn't there long enough to acquire unemployment.
Okay, all right, so Mr. Rinky, all right, so Mr. Rinky, I'm gonna set this over to October 28th, only because you've been making payments up to this point. But when we come back, as soon as you get a job, you need to let Ms. Stevenson know, and we can start doing the income withholding. But remember, until it comes out of the check, you got to make that portion of the payment. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, October 28th. We'll see you back on that day. Thank you.
Thank you. You have a great day.
You too. In the matter of Tiffany Seaves versus Dennis Handshoe, file number 2009-33817 DS. This is the date and time set for show cause. Mr. Handshoe has failed to appear. He's ordered to pay $400 a month. He has an arrearage of $4,218. Last payment we received was an IRS intercept of $1177 back in January. He's failed to make a voluntary payment since 2023. I'm going to issue a bench warrant for his arrest. And I'm going to set bond in the amount of $2,500 cash. All right. In the matter of Justin William Nash versus Tanya Nash. It's on my docket. Nope, there it is. File number 23-50391. Miss Nash was ordered to appear here for a show cause. She is ordered to pay $698 a month. She has an arrearage of $4,222.65. Last payment we received was on May 30th in the amount of $346. She has failed to appear. I'm going to issue a bench warrant for her arrest, and I will set bond in the amount of $2,000 cash. And Ms. Stevenson, I believe that concludes our front of the court show cause docket. Thank you.
Thank you.